What's up, guys? It is just Kiwi's DIYs, and I am back. I know it's been a while, but I am here to show you guys this quick tutorial about how I made this sculpture using just floral foam rings. So stay tuned, check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. To start, I'm just hot gluing my foam floral ring to this wooden box. Now here's the tricky part. Now before I figured out a cool way to stick it, I was going to hot glue it, and it did not work out in my favor. So I really thought long and hard about how to do this, and I figured out, hey, why not use like bamboo sticks or like, toothpicks. Now I did have toothpicks, but they were too thin, so the bamboo sticks worked better, and I also ended up using two on each side of the foam rings to make it more sturdy. Spray paint time. I just spray painted this black. Now I didn't have like a flat black color, so this is like chalkboard paint, but use whatever you guys got. Don't buy nothing new. And last but not least, I am painting the bottom gold. And here it is, y'all. It's super simple, easy to make sculpture just using floral foam rings. And like I always say, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching my channel.